This is to show you how to close a bunch of cases all at once instead of doing it one by one. So you're on your list view of your new cases. So you can press this box and it'll select everything. Or if you only want to close a few cases, just select the ones that you want. Now, all you have to do is click the pencil of one of the highlighted ones and change the status to closed. And then here, it knows that you checked off 4 items, so you can update all 4 items. And you press apply. And then down here, don't forget, is the save button. So that's updating all 4 records. Now they're closed. And I'm just going to refresh this list view, and these guys will disappear since this list is only pulling new cases. And here we go. So it's pretty easy. Again, you highlight the ones you want, or the top box here highlights everything, and press the pencil, change it, and update, and then apply, and then save down below.